Hi kids, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, teacher. Good
How are you? Are you okay? How are you? Children, today is a wonderful day. Today is a golden day. For all of us, today is a golden day.
Teacher, I can't hear.
And now listen, today is a golden day. Today is a wonderful day for you all of you and me. Right? Now now listen well. Now you all have learned the alphabet. Am I correct? Now we all know the alphabet. You have already know the story of the letters and sounds. Isn't that so? We have completed all the right? Today also I have my alphabet song. It's a new one, not the earlier one. New song related to related to the alphabet. You should join with me to sing today. Actually, this singing is a game. It's a game. Let's try out. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Who
Teacher.
should?
Yes.
Let's see. Right.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me?
You also try, my dear. Faster.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Once again, let's try.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Little bit
A,
faster.
B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Did you enjoy?
Yes.
You got a fun. You got a fun. Okay. Now let's remind the alphabet again. Now let's see our board. Let's go to see the board. Right? Now can you see me?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Here you can see capital letters here. There are some capital letters down. Can you see? Can you see?
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
They are
Capital letters.
They are for big letters.
Big letters. Capital letters, teacher.
You can see all the letters. They are here. You can see them touching the top line, touching the bottom line. Top line, bottom line. All the letters are same, right? Okay, what about these three? Here you can see simple letters. Simple letters. We can divide these simple alphabet, these simple letters, I mean short letters, into these three categories. Here you can see we can divide them under these three headings. බලන්න පුතේ අපිට බෙදන්න පුළුවන් simple letters මේ headings තුනේ. Right? Some letters we can take as short letters. Short letters. See, these letters are short letters. All these letters are simple. Here you can see the capital line. I have written up to letter R. There are some letters. There are some more letters. Let's write them also. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. Then letter S, T, U, V,
W,
right?
W, X, Y, Z.
Big letters, capital letters. Here you can see simple letters only under these three sets, right? They are short letters, tall letters, and long letters in size. You can see, we can see them. See, these,
Okay, teacher.
yes, they are in between the middle line and the bottom line. You can see all the letters are as same. We can take them as this. Here, when we keep our hand like this, all the letters are here, right? And what are those letters? You can see. Yes, come on. What are they?
Yes,
What are they? If we take the letters like this, you can something like this. Yes, something like this. If you take the letters like this, here you can see a line, standing line. All the letters are touching the top line. See, all are touching the top line only. They touch the top line like this. So we can take these letters like this. All are like this. See, what are the tall letters? Yes, letter Another letters, another kind of letter. They are, yes, you can, if we take the letters and here we put the letters like this. Here you can see the letters, they drop down like this. See, all the letters, right? What are they? You can see the letters, they pass the bottom line. Here, this is the bottom line. All the letters, they drop down. Here you can see the bottom line. They drop down like this. What are they? Now all together you can see the alphabet. Right? There are how many letters all together? There are 20. Come on. 20.
26.
All the sounds and letters in the alphabet.
26.
All of the alphabet. Right? Okay. Let's see something else. Right. Now can you see a picture here? Can you see?
Yes, teacher.
What are these? What are they? Do you know them?
Balloons.
They are balloons. There's a special name. There's a special name. Do you know the name of? Yes, like parachutes. Yes, they are called. Listen, they are called hot air balloons. What are they? Hot air balloons. Hot air balloons. What are they? Hot air balloons. Repeat. Hot air balloons. Come on.
Balloons.
Hot air balloons. Hot air balloons. Very good. Have you seen hot air balloons somewhere? There are hot air balloons. There are some hot air balloon trips also. They are called hot air balloon rides. දැකලා තියෙනවද පුතේ hot air balloon rides? Have you seen somewhere? Sometimes maybe in the years when you watch the television or not yet? Okay, there are some videos. Okay, so listen, it is so interesting, so amazing, exciting journey. A wonderful journey, wonderful trip, right? Now you are traveling by vehicles. When you want to go somewhere, we use our vehicles. මොනවද පුතේ vehicles කියන්නේ? Vehicles. අපි travel කරන්නේ trip යන්නේ වාහනවලනේ. මේ hot air balloon එකත් පුළුවන් යන්න පොඩි trip එකක්. Hot air balloon ride එකක් යන්න පුළුවන් අපිට ඕන. Even in our country also, right? Yes. They don't fly in bad weather condition. Oh, bad weather condition එකක් තියෙනකොට මේවා fly කරන්නේ නෑ මෙහෙම. මේ බලන්න sky is so bright. Sky එක පේනවද ඔයගොල්ලන්ට? හරිම bright. Bright කියන්නේ sky is so bright. Yes. මේ ලස්සන අහසක් තියෙනකොට තමයි hot air balloons fly වෙන්නේ. Bad weather එකක් raining time නම් මේවා fly කරන්නේ නැහැ. Right? They are filled with a gas. මේක ඇතුලේ තියෙන gas එකක්. Here you can see the balloons. Yes. They have a gas inside. Now here Pute, there's a gas in the balloon. It is hot than the air in the environment. මේ environment එකේ තියෙන වටේ තියෙන වාතයට වඩා මේ ඇතුලේ තියෙන gas එක එළියේ තියෙන අපි හුස්ම ගන්න වාතය තියෙනවනේ එළියේ ඒවට වඩා මේකේ gas එක hot වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. ඒක නිසා තමයි hot air balloon එකක් කියලා කියන්නේ. Right? hot කරාම මේක මොකද වෙන්නේ? float වෙන ලේසි. අපේ එළියේ තියෙන gas එක එයා එක මේ අපේ වාතයේ තියෙන අපි breathe කරන්නේ හුස්ම ගන්න එයා එක ඒකට වඩා this hot air is lighter. Hot air is lighter than the air we see. We breathe outside, right? මේ එළියේ තියෙන අපි breathe කරන හුස්ම ගන්න වාතයට වඩා hot air එක lighter කියන්නේ සැහැල්ලුයි, right? So the balloon can easily float, go up, can easily go up, right? So the hot air helps to float upward the balloon, this hot air balloon. Here, can you see a basket? Can you see a basket here? Yes, here you can see a basket. Yes, a basket. Yes. People can. Yes, people. Now listen. People can get into the basket to start the ride. Right. Now listen. People can start their journey. They can get into this basket and start their ride. There are no seats inside. No seats inside. So they can't sit. Right? No seats here. When the air is getting cooler, after their journey, when they finish their journey, the air is getting cooler and it is coming down. ඒගොල්ලන්ගේ journey එක balloon ride එක ඉවර වුණාම මේක ඇතුලේ තියෙන අර gas එක cool වෙලා ආයි balloon එක down වෙනවා, coming down, right? So if we are in a hot air balloon, we are like a cloud. We are like a cloud if we are in a hot air balloon. What do you mean by a cloud? Cloud? Yes. We can float. Right. Okay, good. Very good. We can float. අපිට ලස්සනට float වෙන්න පුළුවන් if we are in a hot air balloon like this. It is so interesting, so funful, right? Do you like to travel in a hot air balloon?
Yes.
Okay, try one day. Try one day to go. Try one day to have a hot air balloon ride. Try to have a hot air balloon ride one day. Now we will watch a video. Now let's watch a video about a hot air balloon ride. Let's watch this. There's a nice video for you.
No.
Minutes more. So over the time limit, you should join through the same link. Join through the same link after 10 minutes.
Teacher.
See, Pute, watch the video here. Watch the journey.
Teacher, I can't not sound.
So we're going down. It looks like we're going to hit that tree, but we are moving up again. And look at those kids. They are waving at us. Hi.
You can see
And we're
environment.
landing.
You can see the environment. You can see down very nicely. He's coming down now. You can see people, they are getting down.
So that
So
was
fun.
absolutely amazing. This is definitely by far the coolest thing I have ever done. I got to take a selfie at 2,000 feet, which was pretty epic. But definitely, guys, if you're in Jaipur, you have gotta do this. It's amazing.
Okay.
Teacher,
That's interesting.
see video.
You didn't see the video. Why?
Teacher.
Yes.
I can't see a video.
You didn't see? Anybody?
Teacher,
Oh, කවුරුත් විදි? වීඩියෝ එක දැක්කද? ඔයගොල්ලෝ දැක්ක නේද? You watch it. Okay, okay. පුතේ, weather problem තියෙන අය අයින් වෙන්න. Is it thunder into your area? Then you leave. Right? Right, okay. Others can watch. Okay. Here, now let's move on to our pupils book, page 117. 117.
practice.
Page 117.
17.
Right, this is the page. Page 117. Our last page. Last page in our book.
Teacher, this is the writing practice, not the pupils book.
Ah, sorry, extremely sorry. Yes, you should turn to your writing practice, page 117.
Writing practice.
Yes, by a mistake, I told you as pupils book. Isn't that so? It's not your pupils book, it's your writing practice. Thank you for reminding me, my dear. Here, see? Right. Can you see a hot air balloon now?
Yes, teacher.
Yes?
Yes,
What about this one? What is this? What is this? What is it? Small
balloon.
Hot air balloon. Find out the word. Right, okay. See? Now listen. Mute your microphone and listen. Wait a minute, dear. Here you can see the word hot air balloon. Wait a minute. Right, right. Hot air balloon. Can you see the word now? Hot air balloon.
Yes, teacher.
Right. Okay. Now let's see. Let's see. This hot air balloon contains letters of the alphabet. Letters of the alphabet. Here, there's the gas in this balloon. It contains the letters of the alphabet. Alphabet letters arang yana hot air balloon ekak meka. And you can see a teddy also here in the basket, right? Yes. Let's see the letters down. Yes, let's read the instructions here. Write the letters on the hot air balloon in the alphabetical order. Alphabetical order. Right. Now you can see the letters here. You can see all the letters here. Yes, they are. The letters contain. Yes, in the on the hot air balloon here, you can see the letters written in the balloon. You should write them down. You should write them down according to the alphabetical order. කියන්නේ මොකද්ද පුතේ? Alphabetical order. What is it? Order එකට පිළිවෙලට ලියන්නලු. මෙතන A to Z. Here you can see only, can you see both capital and simples? What are the letters you can see here on the balloon? Only simples. Only simple letters. Right? Can you write the letters down then? Puluwanda liyanna then liyating? Only simple, not capitals. Letters vitarai liyanne. My name is. What is the name here? Mokadda meyage nama? Not your name. What is the name?
Hot air balloon.
Very good. Hot air balloon. Hot air balloon. Hot air balloon. Hot air balloon. Right. You should write the name. Api na name එක විතරක් ලියමු බලන්න පුතේ. මෙතනින් ලියන්න පුළුවන්ද කියලා බලන්න ලියන්න. Hot air balloon. Let's write the name.
Teacher, letter simple letter.
All are simples. All letters are simple letters.
Thank you.
You can see only simples on the balloon.
Okay, teacher.
Write it in this way. Hot air balloon.
I have finished. I have finished.
Putte, there's a mistake here. Can somebody show? Can somebody tell me there's a mistake here? What is it? මෙතන තියෙනවා එක mistake එකක්, letter mistake එකක්.
L.
Yes. Letter L is missing here. Hot air balloon, double L. Not one L. Okay, you should put double L down. When you write the name, you should put it as double. Here, put double L. Is it okay? Okay. You did it?
Finish, teacher.
Finish. Okay. Right. And now let's see. I have finished. Right. Now our last page. Last page. Turn to the last. Right? Okay. This is page 118 in your writing practice. Our last page, 118. Right? Let's see. Yes. What is it? Let's read. Now mute your microphone. Who is that? Right. Don't disturb us. Let's read. Right. You should try, my dear. Write all the simple letters. You should write all the simple letters here. Right? Simple letters. You can see the line. Single rule here. Before that, you should write the letters here. Before that, let's watch a run. Let's watch a run. Now, Pute, now pay your attention. Stop talking, mute your microphone and pay your attention. Here you can see a single rule page. A page in your exercise book. මේ ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ පොතේ පිටුවක්. Writing book page එක. Can you see? Here, yes. You can see the size of the letters. Capital, මේ හොඳට අහගන්න. Listen carefully. Pay your attention. You can see capital letters and simple letters.
Teacher ඔක ලියන පොතේ ලියන්න ඕනේද?
අහගන්න කියලානේ teacher කිව්වේ. නේද? අහගන්න කියන්නේ අහනවටනේ ලියනවට නෙවෙයි. Right. Yes, you can see capital letters and also simple letters. See, capital letters, as you saw earlier, you can see the capitals touch the top line. And you can see the simples, they touch the middle line only. Middle line only. If I draw a line, if I draw a line like this, using my pencil and ruler, see, you also should have a line like this. See, මේ බලන්න පුතේ, මේ පහළ තියෙනවා. Mina. Wait. Right here, you can see.
Teacher.
Can you see? මේ බලන්න මෙතන තියෙනවා teacher line එකක්. මේ middle line එක මම ඉරක් ඇඳලා තියෙනවා මැද්දේ. පේනවද? single rule එක මැද්දේ ruler තියලා penciling ඉරක් ඇඳලා තියෙනවා. දැන් ඕගොල්ලෝ අද මම ඕගොල්ලන්ට කිව්වාද single rule book එකක් ready කරන්න? Do you have your new book with you?
Yes.
Single rule book එක තියෙනවා නේද?
Teacher.
Right. Then listen. අහගන්න. No need to write anything. You listen. මේ අහගන්න පුතාලා parents ලාගේ help එක අරගෙන දැන් නෙමෙයි as a homework. I can see some books here. You are, yes. You are having your books with you. See, now listen here. Now I have put a line. මේ බලන්න මම line එකක් දාලා තියෙනවා මෙතන single rule එකේ මැද්දෙන්. තනි ruler මැද්දෙන් dot line එකක් අර ඔයගලන්ගේ practice book එකේ වගේම line එකක් දාලා තියෙනවා. හරි දැන් ගෙදරදී අද ලෙසන් එක ඉවරුණාට පස්සේ parent කෙනෙක්ගේ උදව්ව ඇතුව මේ single rule එක මැද්දේ penciling ලස්සනට මේ half වෙන විදිහට ටිකක් ගස්ස ගන්න ඕනි. අහගන්න මම මේ සිංහලෙන් කියනවා right line එකක් lines leave a line and put a line here. Leave a line and put a line. Right? ruler තමයි මේ letters ටික ලියන්න ඕනි alphabet එක මේ විදිහට. ruler ලියන්න ඕනේ. මේ middle line එකෙන් line එකක් ඇඳගෙන pencil එකෙන් ඉරක් sharp විදිහට ඉරක් ගහන්න එපා.
Teacher.
Who is that? This is Litum, you are shouting. Litum, mute your microphone. Mute it quickly. You are disturbing every time, right? හරි දැන් අහගන්න මෙතන මැද ලයින් එකක් එතකොට පෙන්සිල් එකෙන් ඇඳගෙන රූලක් මේ ටීචර් පෙන්නලා තියෙන විදිහට අකුරු ටික ලියන්න ඕනේ ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ සිංගල් රූල් බුක් එකේ අර තනි රූල් අලුත් පොතේ ෆස්ට් පේජ් එකේ හරිද ඒක හෝම්වර්ක් එකක් ලස්සනට පුතාලා මට මේ ෆස්ට් පේජ් එක මෙන්න මේ ටීචර් දැන් මේ දාලා තියෙන විදිහට කරලා පෙන්නන්න ඕනේ ඒක හෝම්වර්ක් එකක් ගෙදරදී තමයි ෆස්ට් පේජ් එකේ එහෙම යන්න ඕනේ දැන් අපි දැන් ටීචර් ඇල්ෆබෙට් කියලා ලියන්න පුළුවන් නම් ලියන්න නැති වුණත් කමන්නේ right පුළුවන් අය ලියන්න ඇල්ෆබෙට් කියලා ඕන නම් ලියන්න පුළුවන් ටයිටල් එකක් දෙන්න පුළුවන් නැත්තම් ලියන්න ඕනෙත් නෑ ලෙටර්ස් ටිකයි මෙහෙම මට දැන් ඕනේ දැනට right දැන් අහගන්නකෝ දැන් ටීචර් වගේ ඉරක් මෙතනින් ගහන්න කියලා තමයි දැන් මෙච්චර වෙලා කිව්වේ pencil එකෙන් parent කෙනෙක්ගේ උදව්ව අරගෙන අම්මගේ හරි තාත්තගේ හරි උදව්ව අරගෙන line එකක් මේ වගේ ඉස්සර වෙලා මුලින්ම මෙහෙම ඉරි ටික ගහගෙන තමයි අපි මුලින්ම ලියන්න ගන්න. හරි? දැන් අද අපි අපේ writing practice එකේ first line එකේ ලියමුද බලන්න. First there you should write only simples. First line එකේ simple ලකුණු විතරයි අපෙන් ඉල්ලන්නේ writing practice එකේ. Isn't that so? බලන්න පුතේ එහෙම නේද කියලා? Writing practice එකේ මුලින් simple letters. Yes. Am I correct? Only simples.
Yes,
Either.
teacher.
Right. Here you can see simple letters. මේ තියෙන simples. අපි ලියමුද first line එක? මට පෙන්නන්න බලන්න first line එක ලියලා කැමරා එකට. Yes, you start. 1, 2, 3. Start. Show me the first line only. Writing practice book. Only the first line.
Teacher.
Yes. Pute, don't panic. Write nice handwriting. ලස්සන්ට හිමීට ලියන්නේ කලබල නෑ. You should write only 4 letters. You can write 4 or 5.
Teacher, I'm finished.
You have finished?
Yes.
Yes. Now, can you show me your book to the camera?
Finished.
Yes. Show me your book to the camera.
Finish it, teacher.
Show me your book.
Teacher, 4-5 වලට වඩා ලියන්න පුළුවන් teacher.
Don't write more than 5. 5 වලට වැඩිය ලියන්න එපා පුතේ. එක line එක 5 වලට වඩා ලියන්න එපා. You should keep a gap between letters.
Teacher.
Gap එකක් තියලා ලියන්නේ. Letter by letter you should keep a gap.
Teacher, I'm finished.
Right. Show me your book then. දැන් මට පෙන්නන්න බලන්න කැමරා එකට. If you have finished. If you have finished your work, show me. Okay, show me.
Teacher, I can't hear.
Right, now I can see lot of. What about Chanudana? What about Butsarani? Yes. What about the others? Switch on your camera and show me, dear. Only the first line. What about the rest? Devmi, Litu, Devindu, show me your work. Okay, I can see you well. I can see you well. Very good. All of you who did the activity are good. Okay, now I know you can write the rest. Then puluwan putala titrutikalyan. Right. Okay, now let's see the page again.
I can't hear. Teacher.
Right. Okay. Now, hari neda then teacher kivade understood neda. You can complete the rest. Puluwan neda then work writing practice එක complete karanna. Can you do it?
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher. Yes.
Okay. Right. Now let's see the next one. Right. Here. What you should do here? Yes. What you have to do here? Right. Capital letters. Right. Okay. In first line here, In the very first line, you should write only 5 letters. You can write one letter A, B, C, D and E only here. Right? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Last line, you can write 6 letters. Okay? You should keep gaps between the letters and do it nicely. Do your work nicely. Now, let's see this single rule page once again. You can complete your writing practice now. Right? Now, let's see this. Then what about this one? This is your next homework. Listen carefully. Right. First page ke teach manada then liyanne kiwe writing book ke. Mata kiyanne. Alphabet.
Alphabet teacher.
Very good. First page. In the first page you should write the alphabet. In the second page. Devani page ke indala liyanne one ni. අර වගේම පැන්සලෙන් එක ඉරක් ගහලා පුරුදු වුණාට පස්සේ දැන් දිගටම ඉරි ගහන්න ඕනේ නෑ පුතේ නේද දැන් ප්‍රැක්ටිස් එක ගන්න ඕනේ මෙන්න මේ විදිහට letter A කියලා ලියලා you can write only 3 words. Now you saw a lot of words. You have a good vocabulary with you. You have learned a lot of words. So you can select only 3. Only 3. කැමති තුනා. Select කරලා එක letter එකකින් 3 ගානේ ලියන්න ඕනේ මෙහෙම. එක page එකකට අකුරු කීයක් ලියවෙනවද? How many letters you write in a page? How many?
2 letters.
Only 2.
2 letters.
2 letters. Very good. Only 2. Here A B තමයි මේ page එකේ තියෙන්නේ. මේ වගේ පුළුවන් ද Z වලට යනකන් තුන තුන ලියන්න? Can you do it? Can you? I will give you enough time to do. අද නෙමෙයි ලියන්නේ. දිගටම දැන් මම ගොඩක් දවස් දෙනවා මේ වැඩේට ලියන්න. පුතාලා එක දවසකට අකුරු 5ක් විතර ලිව්වහම ඇති. එක දවසකට අකුරු 5කින් විතර ලියලා නවත්තන්න. Right? 5 letters කියලා නවත්තන්න. Okay, right. Now, you can do your work very well. There's another special thing to say you. See this one also. දැන් බලන්න මෙන්න මේක දිහා. What can you see now? Yes. You can see very good. You can see a paragraph. Yes, it may be a paragraph. Yes, and you can see nice handwriting. What can you say about these handwriting? The handwriting ගැන මොනවද කියන්න පුළුවන්? Are they ugly? Are they not nice?
Nice. Very nice.
Very good. They are very nice handwriting. Very nice handwriting. You see. Very nice handwriting. They are one of your senior sisters. One of your senior sisters. ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ senior sister කෙනෙක්ගේ තමයි මේ handwriting. Yes, today we have that stranger. Our senior sister. One of your senior sister. See here. See the letters. බලන්න යාගේ අකුරු. So nice. See, so nice handwriting. She has done the way of writing. She follow the rule. බලන්න යා මේ rule එක අපි කියන rule එක හරියටම follow කරලා තියෙනවා. half rule වලට ලියලා තියෙනවා. single rule එකෙන් භාගයට ලියලා තියෙනවා අකුරු. නේද? Here you can see she sat for her scholarship examination last year. She has got a good mark also. එයා අපේ ශිෂ්‍යත්වයට ගිය අවුරුද්දේ face කරපු akka කෙනෙක් යා. She has got a good mark also. Now she is going to a leading school in Colombo, a famous school. She is studying in Devi Balika Vidyalaya now. Right? Now let's see her. This is her handwriting. මේ තියෙන යාගේ handwriting තමයි.
Senuliyakada.
Let's see. She is also like you all. She also was with me in grade 3 like you all. Right? Let's see her. Api balamu eyawa den.
Teacher.
Now stop talking.
Chenuli akka.
Let's see. You know her very well. You have seen her in the school also. Let's see. Can you see? This is one of your. Yes. See
No.
her. You didn't see her?
No. No.
Nah, then you can see her nice smile also. And now she is with you. Let's listen to her. Api යාට අහමු බලන්න මොකද යා කියන්නේ කියලා දැන්. She has a good message to give you. She's going to convey you a good message. යා message එකක් දෙන්න යන්නේ පුතාලට. මම අද එක්කගෙන ආව යාව පුතාලට පෙන්නන්න. Now listen to her. හොඳට අහගන්නකෝ. Yes. Situni? Hello, Situni. Okay. Now you can talk to your junior sisters, little sisters and brothers. Okay. කියන්න පුතේ කතා කරන්න.
ආදරණීය නංගිලා මල්ලිලාට කතා කරන්න මට මේ පුංචි වෙලාව ලබා දුන්නට දීප ටීචර්ට මම බෙහෙවින්ම ස්තුතිවන්ත වෙනවා. මම මෙවර ශිෂ්‍යත්වයේ සමත් වෙලා දේවි බාලිකා විද්‍යාලයට ගියක් මම මගේ තක්ෂිලා විදුහලට බෙහෙවින්ම ආදරෙයි. මොකද හැම අතින්ම මගේ අනාගතයට තෝතැන්නක් උනේ මගේ පාසල. විශේෂයෙන්ම 2018-2019 යන අවුරුදු දෙකේම ඉංග්‍රීසි අත්තකුරු වලින් කොට්ටාශ ප්‍රථම ස්ථානයත් කලාප ප්‍රථම ස්ථානයත් දිනාගත්තේ මම. 2018 වසරේදී කොළඹ උසස් විද්‍යාල ගණනාවකටම හොඳ තරගයක් දීලා මම දෙවන ස්ථානය ලබා ගත්තා. ඒ දිනාගත් සහතික කොළඹ දේවි බාලිකා විද්‍යාලයට යනකොට මට ලොකු පිටුවහලක් වුණා. 3 වසරේ මුලේ ඉඳලම තමයි මම ලස්සනටම අත්තකුරු ලියන්න පුරුදු වුණේ. මුතු කැට වගේ ලස්සනට අත්තකුරු ලියපු නිසා තමයි මම ප්‍රථම ස්ථාන ලබාගෙන අත්තකුරු වලින් ඉහළම තැනකට මට යන්න පුළුවන් වුණේ. මම මේ වෙලාවේදී කිසිම ලෝභකමක් නැතුව කියනවා නංගිය මල්ලියේ ඉංග්‍රීසි විෂය උගන්වපු දීප්ති ටීචර් නිසා තමයි මට ඒ තැනට යන්න පුළුවන් වුණේ. මොකද මම මුලින් ඉඳලම ලස්සනට අකුරු ලියපු නිසා දීප ටීචර් මාව තරඟවලට තෝරගත්තා. ටීචර් ලොකු කැපකිරීමක් කරපු නිසා හොරණ කලාපයේ සියලුම පාසල් අභිබවත් කොළඹ පාසල් අභිබවත් ජයග්‍රහණය කරන්න මට පුළුවන් වුණා. මගේ දයාබර නංගිලා මල්ලිලාට කියන්නේ මේ අවුරුද්දේ ඉඳලම ටීචර් කියන විදිහට අකුරු ලියලා ඔයාලත් තරඟ වලින් ජයග්‍රහණය කරන්න. ඒක ඔයාලා ශිෂ්‍යත්වයේ සමත් වෙලා කොළඹ පාසලකට යනකොට ගොඩාක් වටීවි. මම එහෙම කියන්නේ මම මේ අත්දැකීම ලබාගත් නිසා. එහෙමනම් මම ඔයාලගෙන් සමුගන්නම්. ඔයාලට සුබ සන්ධ්‍යාවක්. මම සිතන ජිහන්සා.
Yeah. Now, Pute, listen. When she was in our school, she was a shining star. Shining star. Not only herself, there are a lot of stars like her in her age, right? She did everything with English teachers. She did concerts, English days, morning assemblies. She conducted speeches, announcings, and also English camps and many more, a lot of things. Not only that, she participated English Day competitions. As I said you, she participated in every year. She participated in copywriting competitions every year. අත්තකුරු තරඟ වලට තමයි යා හැම අවුරුද්දෙම හිටියේ. යා challenge කළා. අනිත් අපේ ඔක්කොම ඉස්කෝලවල වලට challenge කරලා she could win divisional level, zonal level, even provincial level first place. as she wrote letters nicely. අත්තකුරු ලස්සනට ලිව්ව හින්දා යා කොට්ටාශ තරංග ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ පේරන්ට්ස්ලා දන්නවා මේවා කලාප තරංග පළාත් තරංග ඒ වයින් පළාත් තරංග වලින් ෆස්ට් උනා පළාත් තරංග කියන්නේ yes can't you see yes now then I need to say she started her journey from grade 3 like you all okay let's see some her certificates. Situni, do you have your certificates with you? Can you show us? Okay, show to the camera here. There, she collected a lot. අර බලන්න පුතේ, එයා ඔක්කොම certificate collect කරගත්තේ copywriting වලින්. පුතේ පෙන්නන්න එක එක පෙන්නලා තියන්න. 1 2 right 3 4 last තව ආවේ නෑ යාට තව certificate එකක් එන්නත් තියෙනවා අපේ COVID-19 හින්දා පොඩ්ඩක් delay වෙලා තියෙන තව certificate එකක් එන්නත් තියෙනවා යාට දෙන්න. එතකොට මේවා golden memories චූටි කාලේ නේද golden memories ඔයගලන්ට ආයේ primary school එකක experience හම්බ වෙන්නේ නෑ scholarship exam එකෙන් පස්සේ. දැන් යාගේ friends ලා ගොඩාක් හිටියා දැන් මෙතන ඉන්නවා ඒගොල්ලන්ගේ නංගිලා මල්ලිලාත් ඉන්න අය ඉන්නවා senior sisters ලා හිටපු අය මේ සිතුනිගේ friends ලා තව මෙතන ඉන්නවා. ඒගොල්ලොත් ඒ වගේ bright stars ලා වෙලා හිටියා. එතකොට ටීචර්ලා හැම දෙයකම ටීචර්ලත් එක්ක join වෙලා balance වෙලා හැමදේම ඒගොල්ලෝ english වෙනුවෙන් කරා. Right? So, Situni, we all, children, we all should wish her a good luck and a bright future. We all wish you a good luck and a bright future on behalf of our grade 3 sisters and brothers. Thank you for coming here, my dear, and you shared your ideas with your little sisters and brothers well. Thank you. Good luck, darling.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Okay.
Teacher.
Okay. Right. Then dear. Okay. And now tell me, now can you write nice letters and do your work properly? My grade 3 kids.
Yes, teacher.
Then
teacher.
if you can thumbs up, if you can thumbs up. thumb එක පෙන්නන්න up කරලා මට පුළුවන් නම් දැන් alphabet එක ලස්සනට ලියනවා කියලා මට කියන අය. Yes. I can see yes.
Teacher, yes.
Miheli, I can see Miheli, Chanati, with me. Yes. Savindu.
Yes.
Ranugi. Yes. Okay. There are a lot. Gamita. Okay. Kanut. Okay, now you can start your journey from today, right? There are a lot. Good luck, my dear. Okay. Okay. Now we are going to wind up for today. We have successfully completed our writing practice book and the story of letters and sounds today. We will meet again with our school national syllabus of grade 3. Have a wonderful time, my dear children. Good luck and goodbye.